Lion SS329 Spray and Shine Waterless Car Wash. Fast and easy to use in all automobile finishes, fiberglass and chrome. Leaves a streak-free just wax shine and safely removes water spots and light dirt and more. First, after shaking bottle, spray the mist on your desired location. Next, firmly wipe away with a soft cloth to reveal a high gloss shine. Be sure to read all directions and safety precautions on the back label. And always consult with a professional before use of any product. Drive with confidence with the strength of Lion.